Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Circadian Night Display on HONOR X7d. So first of all, you have to swipe down the control center and tap the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open settings. After that, you have to go to display and brightness section and then switch this toggle to the right if you want the dark mode to be scheduled either from sunset to sunrise, or you can also select the custom time and set the start and the end time for your dark mode. If you don't want to use the dark mode, you can still use the eye comfort mode instead by going right here and then selecting scheduled. There is no automatic timer, but you can still select the start and the end time yourself, and this way in my case the eye comfort mode will be enabled from 10 p.m. to 9 a.m. next day. And you can also change the filter level for the night mode by moving this slider to the right to increase the level intensity, or the filter intensity, or to the left to decrease it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.